Kia ora, hello, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you very much for joining us. Many parts of New Zealand are much warmer than average today and tomorrow as we kick off the 1st of December and the start of summer. Big easterlies up here in the tropics, pretty normal with a La Nina summer, and that is driving in that heavy rain and dropping the temperatures a wee bit, especially around Brisbane. In the New Zealand area, the winds are quite variable, so inland the winds are quite light, and that's where we're going to be seeing those temperatures jumping up the most. Look at today's departure from normal. Around the South Island's interior, this zone over 8 degrees, warmer than normally recorded on the final day of November. But coastal areas, round about normal, nothing too extreme there, but also northern New Zealand, warmer than average. And boy, the overnight temperatures are really lifting up now. Places like Auckland around 17, 18 degrees most nights. So hopefully you've got a window open, a fan or the aircon going, because you're going to feel that warmth creeping up this week. And tomorrow, no real change, although the eastern side pretty much normal temperatures for the 1st of December, but those leaning to the west are definitely warmer by several degrees. A little bit of wet weather coming through for the next few days, still through central areas, but we'll be seeing a little bit of rain coming in around Hawke's Bay, maybe another 20, 30 millimetres there for you over the next few days, which I'm sure will be welcome. Here is the forecast. You can see that wet weather on Wednesday pushing into those eastern parts of the North Island, and an isolated shower maybe in Waikato, another one in the upper South Island, potentially a shower down here around Dunedin and Oamaru as well. But that rain over in Australia keeps on going with the east to northeast winds. By the time we get to Thursday, not a great deal of change in New Zealand. A few showers still continuing around Hawke's Bay, Mahia Peninsula. 1 or 2 showers in the very north, couple in the south, but for the most part, New Zealand is actually leaning drier than average for the next week ahead, with the exception of the west coast. As we get towards the end of the week, you'll start to see why on Friday. That's why the west coast is going to be probably leaning wetter, as there's another burst of rain coming in, and once more, a bit of subtropical energy being fed into that system. So that's going to help increase the rainfall totals as we go through the weekend. And so as you notice here, not a great deal of change as we get into Saturday, but those northerlies coming through, rain on the west coast, and a few showers now coming up into the North Island's eastern areas, especially Coromandel Peninsula, Western Bay of Plenty as well, and potentially getting into Auckland as well. And then our final map for Sunday shows pretty much the same. We've still got this big east to northeast wind coming down. Now it'll turn a bit more northwest for the South Island. That will push up temperatures in eastern areas. Not that they're cold, but it'll be warming them up further as we get into Sunday, and that heavy rain on the west coast will start to slide northwards. The rain up here be patchy, it might even be sort of drizzly showers across the day. But either way, a bit of a change coming in on Sunday. Certainly eastern areas will be driest, and northern and western areas look to be the wettest. That's all from me. See you tomorrow with our next update.